Hello everyone, welcome to my game development channel Godot. Today I will explain how to make double jump for your characters or entities in your game. Before this started, I apologize to you for my delaying to make videos. In this period, I was very busy for exams, projects, and some homeworks, so that I couldn't make any video for this channel, but I want to make 3 videos in this week, and I hope this 3 video shows my stories to you like a gift or as a gift for this link. Let's get started. Hello again. I have created a demo for this video and I hope you enjoy to watch this video. And today in our demo we have 1, 2 and 3 scene and 1 script, and but this demo is not my correct demo. Project lists, project manager, my 2D game, yes. And yes, in this demo I implement double jump to this code, and I will explain how to implement double jump in your 2D or 3D game via code. And firstly I want to show you we are playing, and now firstly I will kill my enemies, yes, and now 1 jump, 3 jump and other jumps, not 4. 1 jump, 2 jump and other jumps not working via torching flow. Again 1 jump, 2 jump and other jumps not working. Okay? This is 2 jump or double jump, but in some cases, for example like go down. For example, in some move direction like go down, this double jump have a pop back, for example, yes, and this is not a double jump, but I couldn't solve this problem. I hope I will solve this problem, or if you know how to solve it, you can comment in this video. And our script is short and this is not a terrible script. Let's get started. Now we will look detail in our. Now we will look details of our code. And firstly, I have a kinematic. 1 minute. Source, player screen, and this is our player. And in this player we have 3 nodes: kinematic body 2D, collision shape 2D, and player sprite. Okay, and in our script we will extend kinematic body 2D class, and I have some variables for my character, movement, and for my character double jump. Okay, and for double jump I have three variables, and is jump false if I am not on floor. This will be true, but if I am on floor, this is false. Okay, and other variable is jump count, like its name. It's a counter for my jump. And other variable is enable double jump. This checks if I'm on air and I don't press the up arrow, and this is enabled. But after the pressing the up arrow button, and this is false. This will be false. And in our physics process, var direction SD get direction, not is jump, and in this function SD get direction is floor. Var direction in our function SD get direction, this parameter is floor. This return a direction vector for my movement, and this function gets our inputs, detection strength, move left, move right, and move up. And these are our keys: right button, left button, and up button. And also you can set up these variables in our project settings and input map. And in this panel you can set up your actions like that, and you can connect your actions to keys: A left, E right, W up, like that. Okay, and close. And now, and after getting our actions, we decide to our movement direction, and after this return direction, and like that. Okay, and now as we get jump, this function like that, this function decides our jump direction. Okay? And also this function works with process delta time to more fluent movement and movement experience. And after this function and speed, that jump, we get a velocity, and we will pass this velocity to move and slide function. Move and slide function is in kinetic body 2D class, and this function moves our kinematic body 2D node, move and slide. Without this function moves in a transition. Okay, for example, yes, in our demo, not that. Yes, in our demo, our character is not. Our character does not teleporting. This is a slide smoothly, and this function creates this movement like that. And now And now our double jump is here, and if enable double jump and not is on floor, this means if I'm not on floor and if I don't press up button, this will be true, and input is action, just press it normal. And this is button, I didn't press up button before this action, and now I'm pressing this button, is up button, and direction as the direction, jump count is 1. For only jump count is 1 equals 1, that direction, and I will jump on air, and my jump count is 2. And after this process, this function couldn't work because jump count is not equal to 1. Okay, because jump count does not equal 1, and so that I will provide only one with this expression. I will with this expression I'm providing to work this task only one times on air. Okay, and this is called double jump. I hope I can explain how to work this double jump action, but this is like that, and these are killing mechanism, and yes, and end of our physics process. I will check and initialize our double jump station. If is on floor, is jump false, jump count 0, and enable double jump equals false. And else, if I'm on air, if jump count equals 0 and input action just release it, move up, and enable double jump equals true, and jump count equals 1. And then after this process, I can work this task. Now after this task, I couldn't work this with this task. Okay, this is a lock. This is a key lock for this task. This is open the lock. This opens the lock, and this close the lock. Okay, and like that. And after this process, is jump equals true. And this is a pre-cache for my air, and yes, this is a mini cache for zone floor function. Also, if you want, you can replace this isJump, not isJump variable, or isJump variable instead of isOnFloor function. And if I work like that, yes, this works. And yes, this work is continue, but if you want how to solve this bug, you can comment this video and we can discuss this situation for double jump. And our game is like that. This is a simple demo game, but I will try other mechanics for 2D games on this demo. I hope you enjoy push this video. See you next time, and again and again I apologize for my delaying to my videos. See you next time.